Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just gonna be doing a little unboxing of the red iguana silicone hand. And this is very popular. I've been wanting one of these for like months now, but I'm like, ooh, they're pretty expensive for just a practice hand. But these I think is definitely worth the price. I think you get more for what you pay, because I only paid for everything I'm about to show you. I only paid $179 altogether, so it was pretty good. And they give you a thank you little thing and includes their contact, and they include a paper on how to actually use the silicone hand or finger. And then I'm gonna just show you guys the stuff in it that came with it before I open up the boxes. Primer, nail tips, and these you won't actually be working on top of. You'll use them to put inside of the silicone hand. And they included this. I thought that was nice. And then glue. Okay, open this one first. Oh, okay. And then I bought this separate. This is not included if you just buy the hand. This is totally different. This is the actual hand holder. But this is the holder, and I chose to get the long one because I have a new table coming, and it'll be long. And you can just clip it right onto your table, adjust it how you need to. Ooh, it's so stiff. Adjust it how you need to adjust. Okay, I'm gonna move this out the way until I'm ready to actually put it on there. Now, for the moment everyone's been waiting for. That's pretty. Thank you for choosing our Red Iguana silicone practice hand. We appreciate your support and can't wait to see your creations. That's nice. I did already take it out because come on now. It's ready. Oh my gosh. And they even include a ring. Just like the bracelet. Oh, that's so nice. Because, I mean, they don't have to include that. They could just give you the hand and tell you to buy everything separate. So that's nice. And I did choose Evelyn, which is like the darkest hand that they have. I was actually trying to get one that was more my complexion, but it's fine. Hell, that'll make me go and get one that's, actually my complexion and actually buy another one. Okay, so this is the hand. I did get the posable one that where you can move it and it'll stay how you want. Oh my gosh, this looks so real. I'm sorry, y'all. It's just crazy, actually. When you actually got it in your face. Okay. Now I got the holder, and I'm going to just open it up and stick her in. Just adjust it how you need to adjust. And there it is. It's in there pretty good. What was that, the 4? But no, that probably will fit this middle. Okay, I want to get in the camera view. And you can just stick them up there. And then you add on your fake nail. And just take it. I'm not even paying attention to what finger need what. I'm just doing it how I want to do it. Oh gosh. Check it out. Yeah, I think that's pretty neat because you don't want to put it on there. You will mess up the nail bed so fast. So where I'll have to get a new hand at all. Stick. Oh, this is this gonna be too well? Cause I can always cut it. So no, I want to. It ain't too big. All right, I got one more. And that is the holder. Attach it to your table. Open it up. And now you're ready to do whatever you need to do once you got the holder on, hand clamped on there, or the finger. Now, I don't know how the finger would specifically go because I never used the finger. I didn't bat a finger. I didn't want to, I wanted to have a feel of the whole hand. Hey, thank you so much. Ow.